In this section, I'll guide you through using our tables and the functionalities our platform offers. Let's begin with exploring the search feature within the table. The search function operates on any column. For instance, if I need to find an asset code, I can easily do so. Similarly, I can search by the asset's name or any related term, and the table will display the corresponding results automatically. This simplifies locating our assets significantly. Apart from search, our tables offer other features. We have filters that can be applied in this section, where I can choose the columns to display. For example, if I wish to view all assets in Cancun, I can apply a filter. Additionally, I can create complex filters with multiple criteria, such as searching for specific values or locations. These advanced filters help us find relevant information or filter specific groups of assets. Each column in our tables has a drop-down menu. This menu enables us to sort and group data. For example, to group assets by organization, I simply select that option, and the table organizes assets according to their organizations. We can perform these actions based on categories, purposes, or any available field in our platform. We can also ungroup to remove column grouping and pin a column to remain visible while navigating horizontally through information. Besides these functions, we can configure our tables. We can set a specific order and show or hide certain columns based on our preferences. This configuration is saved so that each user sees the selected columns upon entry. Furthermore, we can export table information, a feature within the permissions we grant to users. To export specific data, we select the desired lines or items, use multiple selection with Shift, and export data as CSV or Excel files. These are the capabilities our tables offer and are available in other modules of the platform. After registering assets, we need to take actions to organize our tree further. Strategically, we've included a column called Location. Activating this column shows it's specifically configured for locations. This location column streamlines tree structuring. For example, in the equipment section, I can search for everything related to the restaurant location. As you can see, only that information is displayed here. We'll use this opportunity to explore bulk actions on the platform. In all modules, you'll find the option to select one or more items and an Actions button. From this button, you can perform various bulk actions like updating information, consulting QR codes, and more. One action we've already seen is importing. Now, let's change the location of these equipment items in bulk. I select the option to update the location, choose Restaurant, and save. Now all these assets are located in the restaurant. This process greatly simplifies moving equipment between different locations. We'll repeat this for the laundry area and the pool area, thus creating our locations tree. We can also add geographical locations in bulk. I select the assets, choose the option to update the geographical location, select the desired location, and save. Now all these assets have a geographical location that can be checked anytime, especially useful for maintenance. Even after creating assets, you may decide to add an additional field at any time. To do this, go to the Settings section, then to the Assets section to add a custom field. Let's imagine the importance of having a priority field in the platform. I want it as an option list field with high, medium, and low options. Once saved, we can start using this field to capture information. Since it's a new field, existing information doesn't include this priority. To assign a value to our assets in bulk, select the assets, assign them a high priority, and save. This is done through the Actions section and the Bulk Update option. It's crucial to select the correct asset type for this update, otherwise, the modification won't occur. In this case, I want to change the priority of selected assets to high. Upon saving, we'll see the priority of these assets updated correctly. These bulk update functions make changes efficiently, helping us use the platform effectively. Within the bulk actions functions, we have the option of notifications. Let's illustrate this with an elevator. The platform already sends email notifications to internal users automatically. However, to enhance communication between departments, we have a notifications section to add external recipients. Let's imagine wanting the hotel manager to receive automatic emails when a work order related to this elevator is opened or closed. We can configure these notifications for informative and useful communication. In case of changes, such as email address changes or personnel changes, we can update these notifications, add new ones, or replace existing ones as needed. The Add option adds a new notification, while the Replace option replaces previous notifications with new ones. This efficiently manages email communications related to our assets. Here we can also assign users to equipment, ensuring each user sees only assigned equipment. This is useful for technicians and other profiles, like suppliers with restricted access to specific equipment. To do this, select the assets, go to the Actions section, and assign the corresponding users. Upon saving, the user assignment is updated. This function is helpful when certain equipment must be managed by specific user groups or when controlling asset visibility in the platform. Lastly, let's delve into how QR codes function. These codes generate unique identifiers for assets. You can scan them using your phone's camera to instantly report a maintenance request and automatically link it to the scanned asset. The same QR code serves to identify the asset and provide general information. To access this information, simply scan the QR code using the MPindustries mobile app. Generating these codes is easy. Simply select the option to print QR codes, and the platform generates them automatically. Our tables allow agile navigation of information. By selecting an asset, users can access all relevant information associated with it. Additionally, we have a history section showing all actions taken with assets, from creation to edits and changes in location or organization. This information is recorded and can be consulted in detail. We can also edit assets individually, not just in bulk, adjusting specific fields as needed.